Decoding a Flower's Message by Elsa Youngstel is a scientific article we read in class. It was written to inform people of how Texas gourd vines attracted both pollinators and beetles, and how experimenters tried to maximize pollinators while minimizing beetles. I chose this article to analyze because I think that it demonstrates how I've learned to analyze articles in this class. In this article, I am going to explain how Youngstel uses diction and mood changes to hook the reader in the opening paragraph. In the first paragraph, the author uses notable diction to grab the attention of the reader. In the first sentence, highlighted in green, Texas gourd vines unfurl their large flared blossoms in the dim hour before sunrise. Youngstel hooks the reader by including a lot of sensory details in order to let the reader envision what is happening. If it weren't for the first sentence, readers will not be as enthusiastic to continue the article. This paragraph also has a very lighthearted mood. It starts with bees pollinating the flowers and everything is going well. In the green and orange highlights, the author uses uplifting and positive language, such as in the second sentence, where she describes the flowers as pale and yellow petaled, emitting a squashy aroma that attracts pollinating bees. This creates an emotional impact on the reader to side with the bees and flowers. But in the second half of the paragraph, the mood takes a darker turn as the readers learn how beetles destroy the flowers. As the author describes the beetles, she uses negative diction, such as in the last sentence, highlighted in yellow, where she accuses beetles of chewing up pollen and petals, defecating in flowers, and transmitting the dreaded bacterial wilt disease. Using negative words to describe the beetles, the author creates an emotional impact to go against the beetles. In conclusion, Youngstel uses notable diction to hook the reader, and a mood change in order for the reader to side with the flowers and bees and go against the beetles.